In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Ticketmaster UK app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You can find this icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will take you to a vast library of applications available for download. This is important because the Play Store is the official source for Android apps, ensuring you get the correct and secure version of Ticketmaster. Once you tap the icon, you will see a vibrant interface filled with various apps and games that you can explore. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you want to download. It's usually marked by a magnifying glass icon, easily recognizable. Tapping on the search bar will bring up your keyboard, allowing you to enter text. This step is crucial because it helps you find the Ticketmaster UK app quickly, saving you time. Type in Ticketmaster UK or simply Ticketmaster and watch as search results populate below. Once you have typed in the name, look for the correct app in the search results. You should see Ticketmaster Bass Buy Sell Tickets by Ticketmaster LLC listed among the options. It is essential to select the official app to ensure you have the best experience and access to all functionalities. Tapping on this entry will take you to the apps page where you can find more details, including user ratings and descriptions. Now, on the app page, you will see a button labeled Install. Tap on it to begin the installation process. This action initiates the download of the app to your device. It's an important step because this is how you get the app onto your phone. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. While the app is downloading, you will need to wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this time, it's a good opportunity to make sure your device has enough storage space for the app. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to Open, indicating that the app is ready to use. After that, tap the Open button to launch the Ticketmaster UK app. This brings you directly into the app, where you can start exploring its features. It's important to familiarize yourself with the app's layout and options, as this will help you navigate it more easily. You'll be greeted with a welcoming screen that introduces you to its functionalities. Now it's time to sign in with your Ticketmaster UK account. If you already have an account, enter your login details to access your tickets and preferences. If you do not have an account, you can create a new one directly in the app. This step is vital because signing in allows you to manage your tickets seamlessly. Make sure to have your email and password ready, or follow the prompts to create a new account. With these steps completed, you are now ready to use the Ticketmaster UK app on your Android device. Enjoy the convenience of buying and selling tickets right at your fingertips. You have successfully downloaded and set up the app. Thank you for following along.